Want to know how to edit your spring videos like this? Well, stay tuned and find out. First thing, open your Filmora 15. If you don't have the latest version, use the link that you'll find in the description below. Import your spring videos. These videos came from a website called Pexels. Now go to Effects and look for the spring effects that you can find among the tabs on the left side. Here you'll find various spring video effects. I won't be able to show all of them, but you can try them out using the link below. Here's a good effect from this spring category called Rainbow Haze. Drag and drop it on your video clip to apply the effect. Another one is Dreamland. Now, let's try some of these other effects on a different video. I personally like this Dream Haze effect on this video. Just look at that glow and dreamy-like scene. This rainbow ray effect gives you light rays that looks like hitting the lens of the camera. Good for shots that shows a clear sky or sunny day. All these effects are customizable like this Dream Haze effect where you can adjust the glow and the loot itself. To make it even more dreamy, if you have a 60 FPS video clip like this, you can slow it down by 0.5 to achieve a smooth, slow-motion video clip. Do not overdo the slow-mo because it could be choppy if you slowed it down too much. This is our last video clip to try the other preset spring effects that you could also use in your videos. If you want to make your spring video cinematic, I highly suggest you use any subtle light leak transition in between your clips. Once all done, you may now export and enjoy the result of your spring video editing.